Here we are at Yacht Club Villas, Building 2, Unit 1003. As you walk into the entrance, you walk into ceramic tile flooring with a decorative medallion in the middle of the octagon-shaped entrance with an inset. With light fixtures, you have sconce lighting on either side of the wall. And immediately as you walk in, you have a bedroom to the right and then also one to the left. These are both lockout units. When you walk into the bedroom to the left, sorry, the lighting is going to be poor because the power is off to the unit. It's got carpeting on the floors in the bedroom. Immediately to your right, when you walk in, you do have your bathroom that has granite countertops, white counter cabinets. You do have ceramic tile flooring. This has I'm using a flashlight to help you see, it does have wallpaper walls. And then does have the tub shower combination in this bath. That's just the fiberglass tub and shower. You walk back into the bedroom. And then you've got your exterior door, your entrance into this bedroom, and then you've got a closet on this wall with a window that looks out to the entrance into the building. The breezeway goes from there. And as we walk back into the hallway, the entranceway, and go over into the second bedroom, it's pretty much identical. You've got the carpet flooring, it's Berber style carpeting. You've got your closet. This one actually has two closets on either side of the window out looking into the entrance, and the elevator is straight across from this unit. So and then this one also has the door, exterior door that comes into this room as well. And then we go straight into another bath that has wallpaper walls, and you've got the toilet, and then you have the granite countertop, white cabinet vanity here as well, with another tub shower combination. Alright, as we walk back into the entrance area, and straight ahead is the best part. You walk through, and immediately to your right, it's going to be the kitchen with black granite countertops with a bar area. Like the appliances in this unit are missing, so there's no range, microwave, refrigerator, and then also the dishwasher as well are missing, so those would have to be replaced. And this kitchen does have two, well actually it could be two, but pantries. So you do have a pantry on this side, and then there's a closet that currently just looks like it is being used as a coat closet. But there's a coat closet in this unit as well. But that could easily be converted to a second pantry if you would like. It's a small closet. But straight across from the kitchen, we're going to go this direction first. Straight across from the kitchen, still you're on your ceramic tile flooring. You've got your HVAC unit is in a closet in a hallway off the kitchen. Then across from it, you do have a coat closet. That's a great size. And this is still all ceramic tile flooring all throughout here. Then you have your water heater in a closet next to your HVAC unit. And then next door down will be the closet for your stackable washer and dryer unit, which of course is missing. We're going to head back out into the living room. You've got the same Berber carpeting in the living room as you do in the bedrooms. You've got your space here for a dining table. So you've got your dining chandelier. You do have a ceiling fan. This is a great size room. A lot of space. I noticed the walls are not in bad shape as far as paint. In good condition. The carpeting's in good condition. And then you have your master bedroom off this room. And this room has its own private balcony. And again, you have a ceiling fan in this room. You have a closet, double closet in this space. And then it opens up into the master bath. Again, you got the ceramic tile flooring, the black granite countertop. Got some cabinetry above the toilet, and then also some shelving, open shelving for the space. It's a good size, oversized bathroom with a tub shower combination. You have a door that goes back into that hallway where your laundry and your mechanical units are stored. So you've got access from that hallway into this bath, and then also from the master bedroom itself. Opens up. So if we head out to the balcony off the master, you see the size. But most important, the view. And this looks out into the other larger balcony that comes off the living room, which we'll walk out and take a look from there as well. But you've got barefoot landing straight across all the shops. And then, of course, you can see a view of the ocean. Whether the video's going to pick up on it or not. But you guys do have access. Blue, spots of blue. But you're right here at the marina. And we'll walk back in and take a look from the living room. Looking back into the master. And walk back in. You've got the kitchen area. Looking back at the front door. Okay, and we'll walk out to a great size balcony area. You feel the ocean breeze from here. It's a beautiful day. You can see the bridge over into Barefoot, Alabama Theater, and then Barefoot Landing. Walking down on the marina. Down the waterway. And then also you have a glimpse of the pool from here. And people are in swimming. It's been a beautiful day here in Myrtle Beach. Alright guys, we'll walk back in and just kind of give you a view from the balcony looking into the unit. It's in great shape. Just the only thing is, you know, the appliances are missing and the furniture's missing, but the condition of the unit looks like it's in very good condition. You know, there's some just minor marks on the walls, just where they've moved furniture out. But everything else looks pretty good. Anyway, we'll shoot this to you and please let us know your thoughts. We'll talk to you soon.